Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to play Rockstar by Dababy on guitar. This popular song features a straightforward yet engaging guitar part that's perfect for many players. We'll start by identifying the 4 core chords and then move on to a basic strumming or picking pattern. Our goal is to get you playing the main progressions smoothly and confidently. The heart of Rockstar lies in its repeating 4-chord progression: G sharp minor, B major, F sharp major, and E major. You'll play these chords in that exact sequence throughout most of the song. Focus on the timing, ensuring each chord rings out for the correct duration. Practicing with a metronome at a slow speed, perhaps 60 beats per minute, will greatly improve your rhythm and accuracy. Once you're comfortable with the basic chords, let's add some flair. The song often uses a simple fingerpicking pattern, typically plucking 3 strings per chord, like the D, G, and high E strings. You can also introduce palm muting for a more percussive, rhythmic sound, especially during the verses. Experiment with varying your strumming intensity to create dynamic shifts, making your performance more engaging and expressive. To truly master Rockstar, consistent practice is key. Start by playing the chords and patterns very slowly, ensuring each note is clear. As your fingers build muscle memory, gradually increase your speed. A fantastic way to refine your timing is to play along with the original song. Remember to have fun and enjoy the process of bringing this hit track to life on your guitar.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.